This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Engels. Modern zero-lot line home in Leschi community. Spacious 3-bed, 2-bath floor plan with vaulted ceilings, large windows with natural light and modern blinds. Lower-level guest suite and attached garage. Great room-style living, dining and kitchen. Large master bedroom and rooftop deck with views of the city. Rich hardwood floors, cool modern tiles and fixtures. Stainless steel kitchen appliances and washer, dryer included. Mini split heating / cooling and minutes to future light rail station. For more information, review the details below.